Okay guys, welcome back to another blockchain news video. Today we're starting the week off pretty early. Here March 2nd, we have Bitcoin at 8,663, currently up 1% for the daily. Ethereum 221.48, up 0.25%. XRP 23 cents, up 0.37%. Bitcoin Cash up 2% at 320. Bitcoin SV at 232, up almost nearly 5%. And the rest of the market is looking green here, starting out the week. Just some small gains, guys. Nothing too impressive, of course. We've been pushing lower thanks to the past weekend. And the past week was kind of rough here as we moved downwards from that 10K level that we were enjoying. Currently, Link is actually on a run up. They're looking pretty good, up 3%. And they just seem to be extremely bullish. So keep an eye on them. Congratulations if you're holding Chainlink. So it's looking very good. We also have a few other coins in the green. We have BAT, we have Atom currently up 2.17%, Tezos currently up 2.8% almost. So very good to see some green and get the week started early in green. That's awesome news. So for today, guys, we don't have a lot of news taking place. It's honestly going to be pretty short, and I expect this video to be pretty short as well. So I'm just going to jump right in, give you what you need, and let you get on about your day, guys. First up, we have Line targets U.S. residents with new crypto exchange. So Japanese tech company Line is going to provide U.S. traders a new dollar gateway. Currently, they have the Bitbox. It's allowing crypto to crypto trading pairs, and also BitMax, but that one is only for Japanese residents. So now we're going to get Bitfront Exchange. It's going to be the new form of basis for a cryptocurrency trading ecosystem, and it's going to be paired against the US dollar. So pretty good to see here that they're moving forward. They do have their own cryptocurrency that's going to be traded on there. It's also called Link, but it's not related to Chainlink. And it's going to also have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and Tether. So that's going to be pretty good. There's going to be that USD integration through bank accounts and all that good stuff, guys. They're going to have their trading be pretty close to tight spread. They're going to have deep liquidity, and it's going to be based off of other order books from crypto exchanges to allow for that liquidity. Next up, we have new Twitter investor may remove Bitcoin advocate Jack Dorsey as CEO. So we have Elliott Management Corporation is an activist investor owned by billionaire Paul Singer. They pretty much have plans to shake up the management at Twitter. They're kind of fed up, I guess, with Jack Dorsey due to the firm's stock having dropped nearly 6.2% ever since mid-2015. It doesn't seem that bad, but then again, they probably want to do things differently. They have they nominated 4 new directors for the Twitter's board. And we know that Jack Dorsey is a big supporter of Bitcoin. He got us that new emoji there with Twitter. When we have hashtag Bitcoin. So that's pretty good. He's also working pretty hard with Square to bring us new Bitcoin services. And he actually does have a pretty big giveaway going on with the Cash App. It's actually about 30,000, and that's going to move us forward into our next article here, and it's Cash App's $30,000 Bitcoin giveaway lights up cryptosphere. So Jack Dorsey's company here, Square, is going to be pretty much going hand in hand with Cash App, and they're going to be helping people enter this giveaway of $30,000 worth of Bitcoin. The way to go about entering, guys, it was just to tweet that specific post with your cash tag, so your Cash App tag, and you could enter to win almost $500 in BTC. And they expect you to tag a friend. You must follow Cash App on Twitter. No purchase necessary and all that good stuff. They got the official rules here and all that. That came out on the 28th of February. And then, as we had discussed before, Square has also teamed up with TikTok to push Cash App to mainstream millennials and all that good stuff. So they're doing some heavy work in the background. So Jack Dorsey shouldn't get hopefully pushed out of Twitter. Next up, we do have UK startup puts Haitian farmers and their crops on the blockchain. A UK tech company recently announced a blockchain ecosystem for farmers in Haiti bringing clarity to the supply chain while bolstering sales. So the cool thing here, guys, is that for the older countries, those countries that did not get that opportunity to get banking in place, right, which some of the first world countries we've kind of gotten to enjoy, they're going to be getting this opportunity moving forward. So Haiti's one to start. Now they're going to be able to get properly paid, for what they're producing. And if they're working the land, especially with so many people out there that are not working in agriculture as much and they're moving out of that sector, this could be pretty good for Haitian farmers, maybe their economy. And of course, that's just going to push them into that Web 3.0 era. They're not really going to have to go through Web 2.0 because blockchain is just going to bring that forward. So blockchain is going to bring everybody in, and AgriLedger is essentially going to be allowing Haitian farmers to tokenize their products, going to grant them greater access to peer-to-peer dealings, and there's much more in the works. AgriLedger is working to build a software as a service platform, and they want to keep moving forward with suppliers and retailers so that they can interact. So this is pretty exciting. I like to see stuff like that take place here for the world. This is good. This is good stuff. Next up, we have Dubai welcomes global businesses with first blockchain KYC platform. So Dubai International Financial Center and Mashreq Bank announced a launch of their new blockchain data sharing platform on March 1st. It's basically just going to allow businesses and corporations to open digital bank accounts. They can instantly verify their identities through the internal blockchain. And that's going to check off that KYC box for the DIFC, and they're going to be working within Dubai's independent free zones, where companies have 100% of ownership of their businesses without the need to partner up with anybody from the local community. So that's good. It seems like Dubai is pretty friendly here with blockchain companies and cryptocurrency companies. So it may be a great place to get your business going. Next up, we have Huobi open source DeFi blockchain now live for public beta testing. So they went from private to public beta testing, and they're going to be aiming to provide a regulatory friendly framework for financial services companies to deploy applications in a variety of finance related sectors. Of course, they're going to be implementing their own KYC, anti-money laundering protocols, and basically they're going to be complementing it with a decentralized identifier system. It's going to provide verifiable digital identities on the network. So pretty cool stuff. We've seen DeFi here on Ethereum working pretty well. Nothing too heavy on KYC, but this is going to bring that aspect into DeFi. And hey, it should bring some new people. Might not be my cup of tea, might not be the thing that I would, go and use tomorrow, but I think there is a use case here, and it'll, perk people's ears up and get some new listeners into the crypto space. It's saying with Huobi chain, we want to provide that decentralized framework that facilitates industry-wide collaboration, which is critical to the widespread adoption of DeFi. The chain supports popular assets such as Bitcoin, Ether, along with Huobi issued assets, but the biggest one is going to be Huobi token, which is going to be acting as a sole utility token on the network. So some good value here for Huobi token holders. I'm sure this is going to be very exciting for them. And if you are holding, well, congratulations. I hope that they're currently in the green with that announcement. And last for today, we have Bank of England warns crypto adoption may impact credit creation. So we have the Deputy Governor for Financial Stability of the UK's central bank pretty much warning that the emergence of a cryptocurrency economy may weaken or eliminate bank credit issuance. And this is kind of intense, guys. This is a big deal because credit, based on bank lending or issuance has been taking place for a very long time, right? And so this would be extremely disruptive. And now that Deputy Governor is trying to call, excitement back into, hey, we have a functional working system with the banks. It's been pretty safe and reliable according to them. And the more important questions are, those stable coins that are going to be coming in, are they going to affect the current payment system? So there's some fear there. Obviously, this was brought because of Libra initially, but now everybody's taking deeper looks, and they've been studying just why people get these opportunities to go into stable coins, and they want to use stable coins for cheaper payments of cross-border payments. Fees are going to be reduced and all that good stuff. So why would they want to use the bank system? So that's kind of the fear here. And it just builds on what we kind of discussed. If these banks don't move forward and create their own thing, hey, they're going to be left biting the dust. So last up, he says, in such a world, and depending how and whether stablecoins were backed with other financial assets, the supply of credit to the real economy through the banking system could become weaker or indeed disappear. That would be a change with profound economic consequences. So it's coming, guys. The change is coming. They know it. The bankers do know that crypto and blockchain are here to stay. Cryptocurrency is going to change this world, guys. It's the biggest thing out of this entire century. So stay tuned for more blockchain news coming up tomorrow. Go ahead and like this video, guys. Support my channel by liking the video. Get yourself subscribed to the channel. That way you can get that notification tomorrow when I drop the new video. And I'll see you guys in the comments down below. Let's keep the conversation going. Take care. I'll see you on the next one.